Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. This is the inspector summary video. This is a pre-existing non-conforming fire escape. This is Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333. This is pre-existing non-conforming. You need an EPA renovator's license for to paint this. Because there's probably lead in it and it's pre-1978, there will be no welding. This must be structurally sound and painted. This is a pass-fail video. This is a preload test evaluation. Alright, we're going to get started here. There's a few issues, and it will become evident as we go down. We're on the 3rd floor here, and we're on the top platform. Top platform is this portion here is 4 feet by 1 foot, and that's the exit and the means of egress for this window. And then you have this window also. The cage appears to be made up of an 1.5 by 2 inch angle. And that goes all around the perimeter of this particular platform, and then there is 2 brackets holding that. It appears to be an inch diameter bracket that goes into the wall. We have a few bolts missing here. We have yeah, it's all bolts, and the railing itself appears to be 1.5 inches diameter. We have kind of a crazy connection here that looks like water can infiltrate into that, so that's not a complete connection, but it's an 1.5 inch diameter tube, and that's typical, as you can see, all the way down. That type of railing prevails, except at the area where the cantilever once was, and that's without a railing, so that's a big problem in itself. Okay, also as we descend down these stairs, the stairs are not level. They are slanted. It gives you a bad cadence, and they really should be level. They're slanting down, I'd say 15 to 20% more than they should. We ought to have level stairs here. Okay, I don't know what happened. I don't know if they eliminated a stair and then just slanted this piece, but at any rate, that needs to be investigated further. We're going to start our descent now, and you will see as we descend, we have some issues, like right here. You can see there's a bolt missing, and then as we come down further, you can see all of this is starting to pop right here. Okay, so that needs to be addressed. And then this is our connection here. Everything's been recently painted, but some of the problems have been painted over. That's the connection between the stringer and the platform, and you can see right here the connection into the wall. Okay, now, the stringer consists of a 4-inch channel, and then the tread itself is a 2-inch slat. There are 3 of them that goes into a clip, and then the clip is bolted into the stringer itself, and it appears to be a riveted connection from the slat itself into the clip. So we have hardware on here. Some of the hardware appears to have been replaced, but again, we have this issue that this is particularly slanted, and on the way down you can really feel it as you're walking down that slant. This tread should be even, and they're not. They're definitely at an angle. So we'll go underneath and we'll investigate this a little further. But there's definitely a bad cadence here because of that slant. This next platform is 12 feet long by 3 foot wide, and we have the same type of configuration. We have 2-inch by 1.5-inch angle, and that repeats itself around the perimeter. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets. Again, they appear to be about 1 inch in diameter, and they support the platform. Again, the platform up to this point, you can see that it's the same type of handle, the same type of a rail. But the problem we have is once you get past the area where it becomes a cantilever, there's absolutely no railing. Anybody walking forward is going to fall. So that definitely needs to be addressed. And what I'm going to have to do with this video, because I have to go backwards and hold on to the rungs to get down this, is I'm going to stop it and then we'll continue it from the bottom.
Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.